Hi, this is Beth. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I picked up a few new polishes at Ulta this last week, and also just wanted to mention a couple newer polishes I have that I'm really loving. My new acquisitions, the first one is Zoya Stevie. It's from their Pixie Dust collection. It's a very sparkly, shimmery purple. I have yet to actually put this one on my nails. I'm really looking forward to it. It's one of their kind of sand textured things that are in right now, so I want to see how I like that. Knowing, probably end up trying it both as a sand and with a top coat over it. And then I picked up two by OPI. One is Thanks a Windmillion, which is from their Holland collection, which came out last year or 2 years ago, I don't even remember. Kind of a very nice Seafoam 30 Sage Green, which is what I'm wearing on the fingers today. Beautiful color. I really love it, how it looks on my skin tone. And then I also picked up I Saw, You Saw, We Saw, Warsaw, which is a blue. It's not necessarily a navy blue, it's more of a blue, if that makes sense. But really thought it was pretty and decided to pick that one up since it was 2 for $15 for OPI. And I don't really have a color like this. I do have some more in the navy and a lot of other shades. So I decided that was a color because it was kind of picked over by the time I got to the Ulta. So there wasn't a lot of choices in the color ranges. There was a lot of pink, surprisingly enough. And I feel like I've acquired quite a bit of pink over the last few times I've bought polish. So I wanted to get like 3 colors that weren't similar, different shades of each other. Another one that I bought, actually, I bought this I think in the winter, it's been a while since I bought it, is Color Club's Edie. And it's a really pretty green. And I had this on my toes the other week, and absolutely loved it. It's a little more sheer than how I usually like my polishes. I'm not sure how I'm going to love it on my fingernails yet, because I'm not a huge jelly fan for the most part. I always find like it looks like your fingernails are chronically dirty. But really great toe color. It was very, very pretty, and I liked it a lot. And this one was sent to me by my friend. She lives in Japan, so I have no idea who the company is or what the name of the polish is because it's all in Japanese. But it's almost the same color as Disco Biscuit as far as the pink goes, but it's more of a glitter than a shimmer, and it's kind of an orangey red glitter in it. And great color. It was really fun to wear on your nails, very bright and summery and nice. So those are some of my latest nail colors that I'm really enjoying. I hope you guys will enjoy them too. Have a great day. Bye-bye.